Hey hustlers! Welcome back to Health Hustle, your go-to spot for quick tips to stay healthy in the hustle of everyday life. Today, I've got something super important, especially for all the women out there. The top 10 foods every woman should eat to crush their day. We're talking about real food, easy recipes, and simple swaps to nourish your body from the inside out. Let's talk health, energy, and beauty from the inside out. First up, avocados. You guys know I love my healthy fats, and avocados are at the top of the list. They're packed with those good-for-you fats that not only support glowing skin, but also help your brain function at its best. Now let's talk about a super simple recipe. Avocado toast. Grab your favorite whole grain bread and toast it to your liking. While it's still warm, smash half an avocado onto the toast. Drizzle a bit of olive oil, sprinkle on some chili flakes, and add a squeeze of fresh lime juice. It's quick, delicious, and packed with nutrients to fuel your morning workout or power you through a busy day. Next up are flax seeds. These tiny seeds are absolute nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredible for heart health and hormonal balance. A simple way to add flax seeds into your routine is with a flaxseed yogurt bowl. Start with your favorite Greek yogurt and mix in a tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Then, for a touch of sweetness and extra nutrients, top it with a drizzle of honey and a handful of your favorite berries. This flaxseed yogurt bowl is a delicious and easy breakfast or snack. It's packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you feeling satisfied and energized all morning long. Enjoy the benefits of flax seeds in a tasty way. Let's talk about spinach, the queen of leafy greens. Spinach is a nutritional superstar, packed with iron, which is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body and keeping your energy levels high. But don't worry, I've got the perfect recipe for sneaking in an extra dose of spinach without even tasting it. The Green Power Smoothie. Just toss a handful of spinach into your blender with a ripe banana, a spoonful of almond butter, and a cup of almond milk. Blend it all up with some ice, and you've got yourself a delicious and refreshing smoothie that will power you up from the inside out. You won't even taste the spinach, but your body will thank you for the extra iron and nutrients. Let's talk blueberries. These little gems are not only delicious, but also bursting with antioxidants. Antioxidants are our secret weapon for fighting off those pesky free radicals that can damage our cells and lead to premature aging. Now, let's talk about an easy and delicious way to incorporate more blueberries into your diet. Blueberry oatmeal. Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal and top it with a generous handful of fresh blueberries. For a touch of sweetness and extra nutrients, drizzle a little bit of maple syrup and sprinkle on some chia seeds. Enjoy a nutrient-packed breakfast that supports glowing skin. Let's move on to another one of my favorites, sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange root vegetables are not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. And vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy eyes and skin. Now let's talk about a simple and delicious way to enjoy sweet potatoes. Baked sweet potato fries. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees, and grab a couple of sweet potatoes. Wash them well and cut them into wedges. Toss the sweet potato wedges in a bowl with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of sea salt, and a dash of paprika. Spread the wedges on a baking sheet and bake for about 25 minutes, flipping them halfway through until they're golden brown and crispy. Let's talk chickpeas. These versatile legumes are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. Plus, they're packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and they're also a good source of iron and folate. Now, for a super easy and delicious snack idea, roasted chickpeas. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees, and drain and rinse a can of chickpeas. Pat them dry with a paper towel, then toss them in a bowl with a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper, and your favorite spices. Spread the chickpeas on a baking sheet and roast for 20-30 minutes until they're crispy and golden brown. Enjoy a crunchy, protein-packed snack. Let's talk about almonds. These crunchy nuts are not only a delicious snack, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. Vitamin E is also great for maintaining healthy skin and hair, giving us that natural glow we all strive for. Now, for a super easy and convenient snack idea: almond energy bites. In a food processor, combine a cup of almonds, a cup of pitted dates, a spoonful of cocoa powder, and a dash of vanilla extract. Pulse the ingredients until they're well combined and form a sticky dough. Roll the dough into bite-sized balls and store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for a quick and easy snack. Let's dive into the wonderful world of salmon. This fatty fish is a nutritional superstar, renowned for its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to obtain them through our diet. One of the most significant benefits of omega-3s is their ability to support brain health. They're crucial for cognitive function, memory, and even mood regulation. Another incredible benefit of omega-3s is their anti-inflammatory properties. Now, let's talk about a simple and delicious way to enjoy salmon: grilled salmon salad. Heat a grill pan over medium heat and lightly brush it with olive oil. Season a salmon fillet with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Grill the salmon for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until it's cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. While the salmon is grilling, prepare a bed of mixed greens and your favorite salad toppings. Let's talk green tea, the beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage and combat oxidative stress. But what sets green tea apart is its unique compound called EGCG, which has been linked to various health benefits, including boosting metabolism and aiding in weight management. Green tea is also known for its digestive benefits. It can help soothe an upset stomach, reduce bloating, and promote healthy digestion. Now, for a refreshing and flavorful way to enjoy green tea: iced green tea with lemon and mint. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool completely. Fill a glass with ice and add a few slices of fresh lemon and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Pour the cooled green tea over the ice, lemon, and mint, and enjoy a revitalizing and hydrating beverage. Let's talk about Greek yogurt, a creamy and delicious powerhouse of nutrition that's especially beneficial for women. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics, which are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for our gut health. Our gut plays a crucial role in our overall health, from digestion and nutrient absorption to immune function and even our mood. Greek yogurt is also a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, and calcium, which is crucial for strong bones. Now, let's talk about a simple and delicious way to enjoy Greek yogurt: Greek yogurt parfait. In a glass or bowl, layer Greek yogurt with your favorite fresh fruit, such as berries, bananas, or kiwi. Add a sprinkle of granola for some crunch and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Enjoy a tasty and nutritious treat. Outro. Fuel your hustle. There you have it. 10 foods that every woman should add to her daily hustle. These recipes are super easy and delicious. Start today, and you might feel the difference tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health hacks and tips to keep you going strong. See you next time on Health Hustle.